In my mobile video storytelling course, you'll not only learn how to get great video by using my multi-shot approach, you'll also learn how to get great audio, because great audio is almost as important as great video, and external mics help you get that. You will use a variety of smartphone holders, selfie sticks, tripods, to make sure that you get stable video clips for your storytelling video. You will learn how to edit your many video clips into short video sequences that create your 1 to 2 minute video story. You'll learn how to add voiceover if that's necessary, and add music to your video as well. And you'll do all of this on your own smartphone. Check out my website, download my brochure, give me a call or send me an email, and find out more about my mobile video storytelling course. Thank you.